Well, hello there, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Zion Aesthetic, and today we're doing a type of video that I've never done before. We're going to be talking about the Taylor Swift / Camila Cabello / Charli XCX concert. I got a bunch of footage for this that's sort of like vlog style footage, but then just like thinking back and watching the footage, I thought it would be a lot more fun to do sort of like a sit down, just talk about the whole experience. And one of the reasons I really wanted to do that is because I am here today with my best friend Leilani.
Hi.
She's amazing. She's the one who made this entire concert and event and whole everything video possible. We've been friends for an incredibly long time, like 8, 10...
I think we're going on 10.
10 years now.
Yep.
Since middle school.
7th grade.
Yeah, we met each other in art class. Good times. But we've remained best friends since. So, today we are going to be talking about the Taylor Swift concert that we went to. Like I said, Leilani is the reason that this concert was possible. She ended up surprising me with tickets to Taylor Swift, and they were really expensive. Like, how much?
At first I was like, I'm just gonna go all out.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get us like the best seats ever. And then I was like, alright, that's a little far.
A little
like,
excessive.
Yeah. And I looked and the best tickets were like well over $1,000 each. So I was like, alright, I gotta rein it in a little bit. But like,
Understandable.
If we're gonna do this though, I was like, we gotta just like get good seats.
Yeah.
We got 7th row, right in the middle section.
So our big thing is we've wanted to go like see a big like pop star concert for a while, but we just never thought that it was really worth it if you weren't willing to like invest and really get those good seats. Because when you're like 10 million light years back in the back seats, you can't even see them. They're
just
like
watching
little,
a screen.
They're little dots, and all you're doing is watching the screen, which you could just like go on YouTube and watch a Taylor Swift music video at that point. So like, why spend the money? Why travel?
Yeah.
So when she first told me she bought the tickets for the Taylor Swift concert, I like destroyed myself with excitement, obviously, because like she told me she got like pretty good seats, like really close to the front, and that it was Taylor Swift. And like, we love Taylor Swift, and especially Reputation. 1989 was also absolute
amazing.
Perfection. Like, I can't pick a favorite between those
it's
two.
Hard, yeah.
But Reputation is so good, and it's so like grimy, and it's such a like new Taylor Swift sound that we were so pumped. And so we were already excited. Then about a month later, right?
Yeah, something like that, yeah.
About a month later, it came out that her opening acts were going to be Camila Cabello and Charli XCX.
Yeah.
Which is so good because, okay, so basically, I have sort of a little bit of a history with all of these artists, but Charli XCX first, she was one of the first pop artists that I ever got into. So I love her. I've had a long history with her. She's been one of my favorite pop stars for a really long time. And then Camila Cabello, Camila Cabello is like top 1. She's like my favorite. Queen. Yeah, she's like literally my favorite pop star in the whole world. When she was still in Fifth Harmony, I thought that she deserved a solo career. I loved Fifth Harmony, and a lot of that was just because she was in it. Like, I just loved her so much.
So adorable.
She's so cute. Oh my god. So when she basically first left, I was pumped. Like, I was never like, oh no, Fifth Harmony. I was like, Camila Cabello, like, get your shit, girl. Like, you deserve this. You deserve all of this. Yeah. And then she came out with her singles, which I loved, and then she came out with her album, which was just like the most stunningly perfect thing ever.
So I was just reading about like the upcoming concert, and I see this news headline, and it says Camila Cabello, Charli XCX headlining for Taylor Swift. And I was like, okay, this is obviously like a rumor, you know, like maybe it's gonna happen, but like it's probably just like someone
it was just something you saw on like Twitter or something.
Yeah, just like something that someone's hoping is gonna happen.
Yeah.
And I was like, alright, so this is probably just like rumored. And I clicked it, and there was literally a photo of the three of them standing, like, rehearsing Taylor's concert, and I literally screamed out loud, like, and
oh my God.
I've never texted Zion faster in my entire life. I was, like, imagining as I was texting him, like, he was literally, like, peeing himself, because I just knew,
I
like...
died.
Yeah.
Like, I actually died. Like,
because you're basically getting 3 in 1 now.
Yeah, like, these are 3 of my all-time favorite pop stars in one place. We're going to see, like, we already had the tickets.
Yeah.
We were already, like, near the front row. Like, literally, like you were saying, row 7.
Yeah.
So we were like
out of a
close.
huge stadium.
Yeah, like this was a big stadium, and you'll see. I'll put in a clip right now of me panning around, so you can see how high the like balconies of the stadium go.
I said like, guess what, and he was like, what, and I like told him, and he was like, no, and I was like, no, really,
No.
and he was like, no.
I just refused.
He didn't accept it.
It was too much. Like, I don't think my heart has ever felt more like it was gonna just explode. Like, it was so fucked up because I was already so excited, and then it was just like, I love Taylor Swift so much. She's amazing. She's iconic. She's like one of the top pop stars in the world.
And it still would have been worth it.
It still would have been amazing, but like for personal sort of like connections and personal loves, like Camila Cabello is my absolute queen.
Yeah.
Like if she became a queen, I would like move to her country and bow down to her for the rest of my life. And then Charli is just like, I'm such an old fan.
And she like introduced you to pop.
Yeah, so it's just like the trifecta of perfection, basically.
Ugh.
Fast forward now, I'm containing my excitement for like 4 months at least. I drive down to stay with Leilani for the night, and then go to the concert the next day. And as I'm driving down, it's thunderstorms. Like, I'm driving down in a literal thunderstorm, and so I'm, like, kind of worried, because it's not an inside concert. Like, it was a football stadium.
And the weather forecast said it was gonna be for, like, the next couple days straight.
Just the thunderstorms.
Yeah.
Like, not even, like, drizzles. It was, like, hardcore thunder and lightning.
Yep.
And so I'm driving up, and she's texting me, and we're just like, what if it's canceled? Like, as if. Like, they can't do that, right? Like, that's not allowed. Like, what if, though?
Like, we're just praying. We're just praying.
Literally praying. Like, Kesha levels. So we get up the next morning. It's drizzling a little bit. It seems a little bit better.
Still very gray, cloudy.
Still pretty gross out.
Yeah.
And then, so we start driving down towards the concert, and as we're getting closer and closer, the rain starts getting worse and worse, and it starts, like, picking up again, and we hear some thunder and some lightning.
Black.
Yeah, literally
in the
black.
direction we're going. It's
we're
just
like
black.
Driving towards this terrible storm, and as we're getting closer, it's getting worse and worse with the weather, and also the traffic is getting worse and worse.
Yeah, we left so early. We're like, we're gonna get there so early so we can go eat and relax and just chill before the concert. We literally get there, what?
Like 10 minutes
like
before it
10
starts.
minutes before the concert. And we're just like,
my God.
ugh. Yeah.
And so, so we're driving. There's a traffic jam. There's a storm. Like, our hopes are sort of getting lower and lower. We're like, we're going to be late. We're going to miss Charli. It's going to get canceled. Like, all of this shit. And then we drive past, is it a van? It was like a Jeep.
It was an SUV of some sort.
Yeah. And I'll put the clip in here. But basically, it was this Jeep or SUV of some sort that said Taylor Swift or bust, and had like all of these different Taylor Swift sort of like designs and phrases on the windows. Yeah. And so, like, right then, for some reason it hadn't clicked, but right then it clicked that the reason that this traffic was so bad for, like, literally, like, miles and miles
like
and
an
miles
hour.
and miles. Yeah.
Like an hour worth of driving straight.
Just straight traffic jam. We're still going, and we finally pull in.
Oh my
and
God.
literally, it's so good.
It's
literally right as we pull in,
we turn the corner.
Yeah, like to enter the parking lot where we're gonna park. And there's just this huge, beautiful rainbow.
Look at how beautiful we arrived, and this is a good omen. As soon as we pull into the parking lot, we literally have been driving in the worst conditions, rain, terrible traffic.
The worst traffic.
Just everything. And then the second that we turn into the actual stadium,
it's the power of Taylor
Swift.
Swift.
A beautiful rainbow.
Just right in front of us.
Perfectly arched over this giant water tower.
Yeah, it was like the tower that like is part of Gillette Stadium. I'm not religious, but like God helped us that day.
Seriously.
And so literally everything went right though after that.
Yeah.
Like we were worried about parking. We ended up getting really close parking.
Such good parking.
We were worried about finding food. We ended up getting food pretty quickly.
Yeah.
Like everything just ended up working out so perfectly from that point on. It was literally like a good omen. Like it just like turned our entire day around, and it just was like, you're gonna have a perfect concert, here you go, we'll even give you a rainbow. We go in, we go all the way to the front, like looking at the
getting
seats,
closer
like
and
what
closer.
row.
And we get there,
And it's
we
like,
realized.
Yeah, like we can see the sweat on the performers' faces. Like, that's how close we are.
We could walk a few feet and could have reached up and touched her.
Yeah, I do want to show you guys the merch that we got as well. I'm going to put pictures up here because it is so cute, especially Taylor's little snake ring.
We got matching ones.
We got matching little snake rings.
Yep.
They were $65 or something.
A little ridiculous.
60. Like, it was very expensive, but they were so cute.
They are cute.
And we wanted them just as, like, memorabilia.
Yeah, it was
we wanted to have
best.
matching ones.
Yeah, because we got different t-shirts because, like, obviously.
Yeah, exactly.
So we wanted to have something that was, like, matching.
So we got back in our seat, and Charli goes up on stage, and she is so fucking cute.
This must be love. You guys ready?
I know. She literally had this, like, little cute pink outfit, especially the shorts. She had these cute little slit, like, booty shorts that were pink.
The slits go all the way up to, like, her hips, so it's, like, you know, you can kind of see her butt from the side.
Oh,
like,
my God.
So
and
cute.
she was just, like, shaking her butt so much,
it
and
was
it was so good.
Oh,
like,
my God.
every time she would, we were just like, ah! She played a bunch of her bangers. She didn't play either of our favorite songs from her, which, my personal favorite is Secret and Vroom Vroom.
Me too.
Both from the Vroom Vroom EP. Is that what it's called?
Yes.
If you know Charli XCX, those are, like, some of her big, iconic, like, gay anthems.
Yeah.
Like, those are huge on gay Twitter. So I was really expecting her to play them. She didn't, but she also had a lot of new music coming out.
She also had a shorter set too.
Yeah,
I mean,
of course.
her
She's
set
the
was the
opener.
shortest because she was the first one.
Yeah.
So her set was significantly shorter, and so I understand she wanted to pick like the ones that people know the best.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, like she did Boom Clap. Obviously, fancy. Yeah.
I'm so fancy. You already know I'm in the fast lane. From LA to Tokyo.
All of her like big staple radio hits, basically.
And then some new stuff.
And then some of her new, her new like promotional stuff. And even though she had the shortest set, I think I have the most footage of
because we
her.
were so excited.
Because it was just the beginning, and I was like, I need to literally capture every single second of this.
Know. Yeah.
So, she finished. She was amazing. And then there's something that happens between her and between Camila Cabello, who's the next artist, which we will get into at the end of the video. It's really intense, and it's what the title of this video is probably going to be.
Yeah. We're just going to tell our experience and then what we found out happened.
Yeah. So we don't want to, like, bring it down right in the middle of the video, you know? So then, Camila Cabello
and
comes
we're
on.
just panicking.
Yeah.
We're just losing
like, literally heart attack.
Yeah.
Like, falling over because it's Camila Cabello.
It's just too much.
Oh my God. Like, even now, just thinking back on it, I like, am shaking.
I know.
Like, it's so, she was so beautiful.
Is anybody listening? Is anybody listening? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. So I guess that leaves one question. Are you ready?
Oh my God. And she had on this jersey.
It was a custom, so we're in Gillette Stadium, which
Yeah.
is where the Patriots play.
Yeah,
We're in
yeah.
Boston. She like was so cute and got a custom Patriots jersey, especially for this performance, and it says Cabello on the back, and she's wearing it like a dress, and she's so little and petite, so like
it works.
it's like a men's jersey that like, goes down to like her mid thigh, and she's just so adorable.
She ended up playing a bunch of our favorites.
Oh, she did a long, nice set.
She did. She had a good set. I was definitely like pretty satisfied by the end of it because she doesn't have that much music out.
Her catalog isn't that
right,
big.
exactly.
Yeah.
I will definitely put in a bunch of videos of her.
She loves control. She wants it her way. And there's no way she'll ever stay unless you give it up. I wanna love you inside out. Show me what you're inside of. I don't wanna know no other mouth, 'cause I wanna love you inside out. I don't think that I can explain it.
my god, yeah.
Like, she's a really good singer.
Yeah, she
like,
really is.
I didn't even realize, like, because the thing is, obviously, when you love someone, like, you're gonna enjoy their concert no matter what.
Yeah, of course.
But obviously, there's certain people who are better live than other people, and you just know that going in, and
Yeah.
I wasn't sure because I'd never heard her live.
Especially with Camila, because,
Yeah.
like, Fifth Harmony, everything is so auto-tuned.
Yeah.
And, like, on her album, it's less so, but you can still, she's definitely singing through a filter in almost every
But
single
it's more
song.
for aesthetics than to cover up.
Yeah, right.
It's that moodiness and
Yeah,
like,
yeah. It's just to go with sort of the thematic
Yeah.
aesthetics of her album.
Yeah.
So yeah, she played all of her favorites. She was absolutely incredible. And then finally, Taylor Swift came out.
There's a
Holy
long
crap.
like intermission
Yeah,
between
oh, yeah.
Camila and Taylor.
There's like a whole video where she's sort of like talking about her new album and her experiences and her tours and how much she loves her fans.
And what has happened to the squad? Reputation. Reputation.
Sort of this whole
Yeah.
intro for like Taylor Swift is coming, like get everyone hype. Taylor Swift comes out.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, she's
Her
so beautiful.
entrance though was fucking iconic.
Oh my
She
God,
literally
yeah.
comes out, smoke.
Yeah, the whole shebang.
The shadow of her, you can see.
Oh my god, I
And
like got so many goosebumps.
It was so fucked up.
Yeah.
And then she just instantly busts into Ready for It because like
Yeah.
the best intro.
Yeah, that's like the intro song. Like,
Yeah.
are you ready for it? Just
Like-
like the showmanship
Ugh.
of Taylor Swift. She is such a professional. Like, you can. She's been through this for her whole life. You know,
Yeah.
like, you can tell she knows what the hell she's doing. She had the best backup dancers.
Like your tilted stage, the role you make me play. No, I don't like it.
She had the best props. The best pyrotechnics.
Yeah.
Like, it was just,
Her stage,
everything was A+.
her physical sets, like her stages
Yeah.
that she set up with the decorations were like so intricate and
Yeah.
beautiful. She did like 6 costume changes.
Yep. Like, as if.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, that's so insane.
Yeah.
And she had, like, this moment towards the end, which I definitely have a video of, where she gets into this, like, lighted up cage, and it literally lifts her up and
Yeah.
carries her towards, like, the back of the stadium.
And then she had a giant cobra.
She literally played for, like, 2.5 hours straight or something.
It was
a
a long concert,
time. Yeah. And by the end, you could tell she was dying, but, like, you couldn't, if you closed your eyes, you couldn't tell.
No.
Like, she sounded so perfect.
Huge smile on her face the whole time. Like, she looked
Yeah.
like she was genuinely enjoying it. She looked like she genuinely, like, cares about her fans.
I'm, like, so excited just talking about it.
I
Like,
know.
I feel like I'm there again.
She played so many good songs.
She did. She played literally everything we could
Yeah.
have ever asked
Everything.
for. Like,
Yeah.
yeah. Like, I can't think of any
know.
song that I would have
No.
wished she played and she didn't.
From all the albums.
Yeah,
Like,
she was just amazing. Like, it was so good, and I'm so excited to put in all of the clips that I have for you guys because it's just like we were so close that it's
Oh my
like
God.
really good footage.
Yeah.
You know, it's not
Yeah.
like terrible blurry concert footage. Like, you guys can see these performances. So that is our Taylor Swift concert experience. It was so amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you. For buying me the tickets. It was the best time of my entire life.
It was amazing.
It was like so
Yeah.
amazing. So yeah, that was our personal Taylor Swift concert experience. But I did want to get into something a little bit darker. Yeah.
drums.
Maybe even more than drums. Maybe
Yeah.
like dangerous
Yeah.
drums.
Yeah.